Hello, this is Justin Choi. I'll be here to help you install NetBeans. So as you can see, I've already opened my browser. I went to NetBeans. So we'll go to the NetBeans IDE. We will go to download. And as you can see, there's multiple versions of NetBeans. So let's say we'll download the latest LTS version of the IDE or the independent development environment. As you can see, there's multiple installers. Depends on the OS that you're using. Are you using Windows, Linux, Mac? So let's say we're downloading from Windows, right? We'll then go to one of the many mirrors. Let's see. We'll just start with the first mirror. As you can see, my browser is currently downloading the file. Now let's open the file. As you can see, if you don't have the Java SE, it will not be able to download NetBeans. And since you need JDK 8 or Java Development Kit 8, let's go to Oracle. As you just need a version of Oracle. You could go for SE LTS 11. Preferably, you would want to use 8 or above. SE 7. 8. All recommended. Let's say we'll just go for 8 SE 8U251. Blah blah blah. This file Linux. As you can see, there's multiple versions. You would also have to look for which version is on your computer. Let's go for the Windows x64. Once you review, you just download it.